In this Lightworks tutorial, I will show you how to create Cinemascope style video clips. I've assumed you have a basic understanding of editing in Lightworks. A couple of links to my beginners tutorials are included in the description below for those that don't. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. Okay, well I've brought this clip into Lightworks, and like I said at the beginning, I've assumed you have a basic understanding of what you're doing and how to set up Lightworks so you don't get lag and all that problems. So with your clip in track 1 or any other tracks you want to choose, what you need to do is come to the top of the screen and look for VFX and left click on this. Then look for the very small plus sign here, so that left of settings, left click on this, then look for something called Cine Crop, left click on this to select it, and then left click add effect, and straight away you'll end up with a cropped clip top and bottom. You can adjust the size of the crop if you left click next to crop, the little arrow, and then you can adjust the top and bottom. In fact, you can even crop the sides if you want, but just for the top and bottom, I wouldn't slide this slider. What I would do is place my pointer over where it says 13% and just roll my mouse. So let's say I wanted to roll this down to, I don't know, 10, and then just match the bottom one, and again take it down to 10. That gives you a sort of different crop at the top and bottom. If any time you want to reset, there's a little settings menu button here to the left of the green button. Left click on this, and then next to reset, left click all, and that'll take you back to the beginning. And that's all there is to it. All you need to do now is just right click on your timeline and then go to export and export your video. As I said before, I've assumed you have a basic understanding of using Lightworks, so I won't bore you while this renders. So hopefully that helps somebody. Thank you for watching. Cheers.